All right, final time. Oh, it's wobbly. I don't know if that's a good sign. We have the Pride of Lattafa last. Let's see what their Pride is like. See if they have Pride. If you clone other houses and do their fragrance, can you have Pride? I'm hoping that wobbly noise inside is not a bad sign. If you've been following this haul, one of the fragrances was destroyed. It had the top that popped open. It leaked all over the bottle, destroyed my fingers. No, not like literally destroyed them, but you can still see some black on it. It's kind of got like a faux felt on here. All right, fingers crossed, lid off. So the cap popped off. It's kind of a decent cap. It's dry, no leakage. So there's the bottle. Top doesn't really click into place. It kind of like slides into place. You know, this smells like YSL EDP. Yeah, I think this is a clone of EDP, YSL. Y. It's a lot of Y's. YSL Y EDP. There we go. This isn't what that is. I don't know what it is. That's exactly what it smells like to me. Pretty darn close too. You know, I had some of the best reactions for Y EDP. Who smells good? Someone at this table smells good. Everyone points at me. Some friend of mine hugged me and just sniffed me. He's like, no, you smell so good. Yeah, that's what this is. This is Y EDP. So if you're looking for a Y EDP that costs $15 on Joma Shop, get that. I haven't tested the performance. I don't know what it's like. So far, it smells just like the original. Anyhow, this is Nubs Fragrances. Follow me for more. I'm going to start wearing these, testing them out, and see what they're like, and then do follow-up reviews. So follow and subscribe. Comment below if you've smelled any of these before.